Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best KNF Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The KNF, or more popularly known as the Polish Financial Supervisory Authority, is tasked with the responsibility of regulating financial entities dealing in all financial sectors in Poland. Poland is a large country situated in the European Union with a massive population and a large amount of people who are interested in the forex markets. Traders who are searching for some of the best KNF forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best KNF forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the cTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage, referral rewards, and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as cTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the cTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM.
Coming in at number 3, we have HFM.
HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM.
At number 2 on our list is FXTM.
FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM.
And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best KNF Forex brokers, we have Exness.
Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application.
And those are some of the top 5 best KNF Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.